on a different question. Kanang, how do we, kanang when you say insurance, mga bangga, people would sometimes kanang just use it as a very, very broad terminology ba? But when you say insurance, di ba, na HMO, na life insurance, na non-life, and then sometimes they would just say, nanakuha na. But how do you simplify it?
For me, it all boils down to the question, is your coverage enough? So, let's just say, nakoy insurance, nakoy life insurance, but then life insurance coverage nimo is 1 million, or 1 million ra, but you have 3 kids, so I don't think 1 million would be enough. So might as well always call your advisor for a policy review.
So how do you say enough is enough? What's the usual kanang tinamban lang na combination?
Well, it really depends on your overhead cost sa pamilya, pila ka mong anak, pila inyong monthly expenses. There's a certain formula for that, and dili sad siya ingon na dili pud siya ingon na 3 million na okay na, tag 1 million sila. But then ang imong overhead cost di ay kay kuan na siya sa
2 million a year.
250 a month. O nya tulo sila. So what if the question is always like, what if you will be taken out of the picture now? Will your coverage be enough to sustain the needs of the kids until they finish their studies, or to sustain their lifestyle? So at least if you want to make sure to secure your future, don't prepare as early as possible. So ana sila as an average person can have 7 policies in their lifetime.
Ideally dapat 7.
Even if it can even
More than that.
7. Depende po sa capability ng client to buy it. But then if you really wanna know if what you have is enough, then call your advisor to do a policy review.
Oh.
It can be from different companies na kay yellow, blue, red, whatever color you want. But nindot ang color blue. Dito ang color blue, presa ko.
Okay, na may gitawag nga financial needs
there's
analysis.
Financial needs analysis. Do the review, check if your critical illness coverage is enough, if your life insurance is enough, if you have enough funds in case magkasakit. So there's a lot of things to consider. So always ask assistance from your financial advisor. And if kailangan ka to secure na if bako masakit ka na kay enough funds, then consider GHA,
Global Health Access.
It's one of the best plan that AXA offers.
Kanang GHA nindot kina. Imagine na ang imuhang premium man ng GHA roughly around 1 to 2% agad sa total benefit nimo. It's 100 million asset in terms of inpatient hospital coverage. Global pagid, dili lang
Yes.
Pilipinas. So
Ang Pinoy manggod, ang sakit manggod sa Pinoy is bata pa ko, kanang sayang kayo magbayad niya dili magamit. Well, pasalamat ka, di ba? Dili
Dili magamit.
magamit. But again, you wouldn't know when, but it's not it's not about gihadlok ka nga masakit and all. That's reality. That's why we can never be healthy forever. So kano sa pamandayta mangandam kung nasakit na nga ang insurance company na or
balibad.
ang GHA na mismo balibad kay dili na pwede kay dili na pre-existing ni exist na siya, dili na gid siya, hindi na pwede jud, declined na.
Technically sa brochure nakabutang mo gid, or ang point of view, ang point mo gid sa GHA is for healthy people. Di na gani ka healthy, dako jud chance nga di na sad ka dawaton, because again the asset is 100 million. That's a guaranteed coverage. It's not a joke pod.
Mag-premium ka o 80,000, for example, annual nimo 80,000. Although it increases every year, but
Because
as
of
you age, medical inflation, and as you age, increase ang imuhang premium sa policy. Let's just say in average, in 20 years time, nagkuan ka, total ka o pila man ang 80 times 2, 3.2, 80 times 10, 800. Kuan na day,
mga 1.6, 1.7 ang 20 years nga imuhang gibayad.
And you got sick. 1.6 so imong total about in 20 years time, let's just say average 1.6
In 20 years.
in 20 years time.
Pero imong coverage
how
is
much? But yeah, how much percentage is 1.6 of that 100 million? It's just 1,600,000, so it's just 1.6%.
Then for the 20 years, dili wa kay 80,000 nga coverage, 100 million every year ka atong
So the quality, and you can, on top of that, the quality, you can get, or you have the option to be hospitalized outside the Philippines.
Oh, so for example, kita diri sa Cebu, yeah. The only available treatment would be either Manila or Singapore. Pinakadool kay Singapore man. Ato ka patambal. Maga kanang kuan, nakoy question maga regarding how do you or I know the answer, but for the benefit of the video, so how GHA would complement your existing life insurance policy to all life insurance products companies?
Sorry, what's the question?
So for example, no,
Naka-GHA,
for example, no, you already have a lot of life insurance policies from different colors, whether it's traditional or VOL, daghan na kay kagkuan, and then what's in it for me? Ngano mo ko pa mo kog GHA?
Okay. GHA, you can use that like an HMO. So you have your card. When you get sick, you go to the hospital, present your card. You don't have to pay anything. Now, say given na si client na diagnose, ana si doctor na, oh, sorry to tell you, but you have stage 2, stage 3 cancer. So you have your critical illness coverage from other company,
Or even from AXA.
or
tanta
from
lang.
whatever company. So let's say your coverage for your critical illness and other other plan mo is 5 million. So that 5 million, you can use that as a logistic funds. So if you decide to have your treatment outside the Philippines, you can use your GHA. So if you decide to go to Singapore and get the treatment there, then use your GHA card. While your 5 million from your critical illness coverage, you can use that for your plane ticket, accommodation, and other expenses
Companion.
outside of the hospital, or
Outside of the
hospital expenses.
hospital bill. KC life insurance mangga, di ba? Most of the life insurance process is pay and claim.
Sorry?
Most of the life insurance benefit ba, we can simply tag it as pay and claim. So meaning, for example, na kay critical illness, you pay it first sa hospital, and then you claim it after processing all the documents. Mo man na usual sa life insurance, no? Nga traditional ugkuan, especially mga life insurance nga they would present it as health insurance. It's still pay and claim. You still have to shell out.
Yeah.
While sa GHA,
Yeah, you can use it upfront.
na card, di ba?
Yeah, you
Si
have.
AXA na mo bayad sa cashier dito sa inig-discharge nimo. So wa kay pagawas na kwarta. Murag siya ka ng HMO.
Just make sure dili malab sa mga policy.
Oo, dapat kuan lagi siya updated.
Take advantage. Ana, naka-good things ni GHAs. For example, the client na-diagnose na siya o cancer this year. So as long as you renew your policy the following year, your coverage will still refresh to 100 million. So you will be treated good. Hindi na ka maghuna-huna sa imong mayroon kay stressful na kaayo ang idea nga nasakit ka. So dapat at least ang financial part niya dili na siya, which is for me the most siya big factor when you're sick. Asa og makuha og para mangbayad. So at least that part about dili na ka maghuna-huna nga asa na sa ako ibayad sa next chemo, the next radiation, next dialysis. So those things.
Or if in case accident, asa ta pa surgery ug kuan. Oh, by the way, napos sad siya ko ano? Kanang after the hospital admission after the for example, ina na ba accident sa term na? Katong 28 days ba to? 30?
Post-rehab.
Oh, post-rehab.
In case need ka mag-rehab, you have 28 days free na sessions sa imong policy.
And then nasa siya annual executive checkup ba nga ano?
Yes. Siya have executive check-up. 12 sa global.
Katong gold light.
Yes, light is 12,000. So I for one, I took advantage of it. So 12,000. But once magpa-health executive check-up manguga, you have the option to change the plan. Let's say ako like for me, example ako dito ko Chongwa, I got the women's health package,
Which
so
is more than
that was 21,000 ang package. So I got 12,000 coverage sa ako ang GHA. So I only paid actually wala na ako siya tanan gikuha nga katong naa sa package because I have
basta customized siya.
Yeah, you can customize man. So for me dili like say katong para sa mo-smoke, dili mo ko mo-smoke, so gitanggal na ko siya, ilisan na ko glain. So inana lang, you can always customize. Or if you want to stick to your 12,000, then you can customize at to 12,000 lang. Ako na lang pag ipang add na
Mo nang nisa ka.
women check. So naka-add ko og around 5,000. 70 no, mga 5,000. But you have the option to remove those na you think dili kay siya applicable nimo, and then or you can also like do the test kaning test karon ni year na next year lahi na sa di may kuan just to check kung na kay check sa ana nga test every now and then.
So in short, whatever your annual premium is because due to your age, na kay kanang 12,000 na worth of executive
package. Plus na pa kay 2.5 sa akong gold light ha. Naapa ko'y 2.5 na either medication or vitamins na
Sulit
refund. Yes, so far sa ako wala pa na ako na-take advantage. Ako
at day 1 na if covered na ka ha?
Yes, kay ako na-approve ko March. I had my health executive check-up the following month dayon. And it was approved. So the good thing kay sa major hospitals atong ako sige example sa ako sa Chongwa, nice kay ang service na ilang gihatag kay you are really well taken care of, na pa free lunch. And you can choose
Si Chongwa niya pa free lunch.
Yes, you can choose si Chongwa na you can choose sa imong food sa imong gusto like sa available sa ilang menu. And then yeah, sa service kay ka i-guide ka kuyugan ka para make sure dili ka mamadugay. It's really good. It's a really good experience. So again, health is wealth. So invest aside from investing on other
as well. Good. Lisod kayo na siya nga statement actually. Sa
Sige, okay, picture. So, mao lang to kay napami appointment sa ang dentist. I'll see you
when I see you.
when I see you.
Oh, bye-bye na si fans.